Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reduce your shipping cost when shopping on AliExpress. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now search for the item that you want to buy. Here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it. Let's say I'm looking for Nike shoes. Here you will see the list of products related to your search. Now, in order to reduce the shipping cost, we'll use the filter option. Here you can see the filter option at the top right, tap on it. Now look for free shipping option and tap on it. Now to apply it to search results, tap on this show results. As you can see, the first item has free shipping. So you can explore through other products and see which provides free shipping. And another way to save on shipping is by using your coupons and discounts if you have any. And that's it. That's how you can reduce your shipping costs on AliExpress and save more money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.